cell clutch in this facility, and then we also make cell core, which is your mid-range tightening tool. We make everything here for the United States and for Europe, and there's mirrors of these sitting in China, and they make their own tools for their own country. That way we don't have to worry about transportation or tariffs, or, so we actually share responsibility between our two facilities with these product families.
All right, so what we're making over here today is the M3R. So this is our whisk snip. These machines are capable of putting up to 500 pieces per hour out. As you can see, you'll notice the orange, you'll see Cleco. Those are actually made at our German facility. They're tightening everything to a specific torque that is recorded. It's tightening all these nuts and bolts so that they're all the same. So before, when we were having to put this all together, it's a lot of complaints about the repetitiveness and the ergonomics that it has on your hands. And so that's really taken a lot of workers' comp related issues completely out of the equation. And so it's easier for the operator, and then it also is a better quality product for the customers.